Hi, this is a 2006 Jetta TDI diesel, and 2 days ago I got when I started the car in the morning when it was cold, I got these error on the dashboard says emission workshop. I looked it up online and it seems to be could be the relay or glow plug, or it could be the wiring. So I did some research and I didn't see that many videos on this model except maybe one or two. But this is the video I made, and I believe this would help a few people or lots of people. So what I have to test to make sure, first of all, I had the scanner. I bought on eBay for like 10 bucks. It used to be for my Toyota, but it seems like it's reading these codes too. I'm reading P0764, which it means cylinder number 4, glow plug, circuit, I believe. So most likely it could be the wiring or it could be glow plug. So based on my knowledge, the cylinder number 1 is this, 2, 3, 4. So I already removed, let me just show you where the wiring goes. So here you go. So first of all, you remove the top. This is your wire. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't wiggle it too much because these are plastic and over time they dry and it cracks. I do have a crack on it. I don't think, because these are not spark plugs, so I don't believe it will cause an arc or something. It has a small crack, which I'm just gonna stay with it. Just wiggle it a little bit, that way you don't crack it. Just pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, and very slowly pull it out. So if you see, there's a crack here and there's a crack there, which I'm fine. It's not that bad that causes a shortage or anything. These are the glow plugs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So looks like this is bad, or the wires is bad. But let me show you what I did. First of all, I need a 12-volt lamp. These are one of the lamp for the interior, and I bend the tip. If I can focus on it, I bend the tip. So that's that. I have 2 alligator cables. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect these to this, and I'm gonna connect this to this. So this is a series. Since this is ground and these glow plugs are connected to the ground, the tip will have mine has half an ohm resistance. So let me just show you that. So to test the resistance, I'm gonna put this in a resistance and I'm gonna leave it at 2000 or yeah, that's 2000 ohm or 2 kilo ohm. And I'm gonna use an alligator, connect one to the ground, which is negative. So from the negative to the negative tip, and for the positive, I'm just gonna connect it to each tip and see what I get. I get around 8, which is fine. So that's like 8 ohm, 7 ohm. Yesterday I got 5 ohm, but still fine. Second one, I get 7 ohm. I guess when they're hot, they show higher resistance, 8. So this last one, which I assume that's a bad one, I get nothing. So no resistance. Yesterday I got half a volt. I mean half amp, half a kilo. I'm like 5 ohm. Sorry. Yeah, yesterday I had some resistance on it, but now I don't. So I assume that's bad, but just to make sure, this is the best test I came up with. Put your multimeter to amperage. That way you can check the amperage of it. Move your lead to your amperage. Okay. So one thing, make sure you then connect these direct to the ground without the lamp, because you're gonna burn your multimeter, because it looks like these batteries, they have 60 amp or 70 amp. So what I'm gonna do is connect this. I'll tell you why. This is positive, and because this wire goes to this lamp and it goes to the positive terminal, this has to be positive, otherwise you get a negative right there. So right now, positive goes to the lamp, other side of the lamp goes to the probe goes to the multimeter with amp, 10 amp, and the ground right here. If I connect it to the ground, the lamp turns on, and I have 35 yeah, that's 350 milliamp, 360. So let's test the glow plugs. So the first probe, make sure you don't touch this. If you touch this, you're getting the wrong reading. It has to be connected to the tip. Right there. So when I connect these, my lamp turns on and I get 35.35. So that means this glow plug is good. I'm gonna go to the next one. Lamp is on, 35. Most videos online, they just connect the lamp without the multimeter. That way I can make sure the amperage is the same for all of them. I'm gonna try the third one. Lamp is on, 35. Now the last one, which I assume is bad, right there. No lamp, nothing. So this is bad. Okay, so I'm gonna change that. Let me remove it, then I'll show you if I can test it some other ways. All right, bye. Okay, so using a 10mm wrench to socket, I'm gonna see if I can remove it. Yep. And the torque to tighten these is 15 Newton meter, I think. You can just look it up, but I believe it was 15. So let me take it out and I'll show you. NGK 7V CZ101 VW AG N105 91604 H5Z6C, and let's see if I can find this. Okay, this is the newest model. The actual part number for the glow plug that it was inside was N105-91604. This one is 08. These are the new one, and the tip is made of ceramic. The old one, I guess, is made of iron or steel. Anyway, so this is the Volkswagen part. I got it off eBay for 40 bucks. 15 Newton meter torque, and that's the part number. NGK, made by NGK. I already put it in. The last one, this guy, and I'm gonna run another test. Positive. Alligator goes to one side of the lamp, the other one goes to the other side of the lamp, and this is, if you connect this, there you go. If you connect this to the ground, lights up. So I'm gonna test. I'm gonna test this. That's good. This is good. This is good. And this one is the one I just installed. Oh, good. Okay. And thanks for watching. I'm just gonna put everything back and start the car, and if I have any problem, I'll let you guys know. Bye. Alright, it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. The car is pretty cold, so I already started it. I'm just gonna show you how does this work. So okay, no check engine, no errors, nothing. Seems like everything else is working, and nope, no errors. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.